Hi everybody, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to add an area cost summary to your proposals. So this section lets me break the costs down by the area level, and that could be by everything added up together by the room level, or it could be broken down into your system level. This view that I'm showing you here right now, this is the entire project broken down into room area level. And as you see on the proposal and the web view, how this looks, the customer can get to scroll through the proposal. You can go to his project summary area. Now you can give him the breakdown by the system level, which is what we've always had, but now with this new feature we've added, you can also see the areas with the cost breakdown. So I'm going to show you how to add this in. So to do that, you'll need to go to View Proposal, and then you'll need to select Edit the Proposal and go to Add a Section here, and then you're going to look for Area Totals. So this is a new section that we've added into the proposal building tool. So you'll select that, and then here I've added it in the main loop, so this is going to be starting at the beginning of the quote, and I've added one under my systems loop here, so at the end. So what I wanted to say is of my Bluestream video distribution system or my Control4 system, that it's going to then give the customer a breakdown of the room cost as well. So it's just that extra detail if you want to add those costs into your proposals. Let's finish this, and you'll end up with something like this. So here's it globally. Go into video distribution. The customer can select what they want to do. They might want to remove some stuff. They can say, yeah, don't need Sky Mini, there's going to be one, and then as it goes through. So now here, this is giving me the system by area cost. And here again, it repeats itself. So I can say, hey to the customer, Control4 remote, select the bits you want, don't want one in the cinema, and then it gets down. And these all then dynamically change. You can see the cinema room is now a null cost. And that is how you add area costs to WeQuote.